Bristow Group, a vertical flight solutions company, has pre-purchased a batch of the as-yet unmade butterfly eVTOL aircraft from OverAir. Along with the deal, the two companies agreed to explore commercial aerial taxi service in emerging, densely populated markets. OverAir is yet another entrant into the burgeoning urban air mobility market, boasting a 5-seat, intercity quad-rotor efficient metro runabout. The company combines the forces of Chief Engineer Abe Karem with Korean defense contractor Hanwha Systems, combining his large body of aeronautical experience with the company's stout funding. The company has already found a series of investments, ultimately garnering about $150 million between military and private partnerships. Some reports had placed initial propulsion tests towards the end of 2021, but OverAir's expansion in its Santa Ana, California headquarters is the only recent corporate development of note. The butterfly is slated to have a 2025 path to FAA certification in the company press, which could now see some acceleration with the addition of Bristow's expertise. The helicopter specialist is said to bring developmental assistance for flight planning procedures, data sharing, vehicle monitoring strategies, design considerations, key performance parameters, maintenance protocols, infrastructure, and fleet management.